Hello everyone, I am Yufeng Luo, a 5th-year astronomy PhD student at the University of Wyoming. Today I'm going to talk about my work building a foundation model for astronomy. Imaging and spectroscopy are two fundamental probes for understanding the universe. But imagine trying to identify a handful of fascinating distant objects hidden within the dataset of billions of galaxies. With massive surveys like Dark Energy Spectroscopic Instruments, DESI, the Lex survey, and the Rubin Observatory, we are dealing with terabytes, sometimes petabytes of data every single day. In this ocean of information, identifying and characterizing on such a massive scale has become an unsustainable computational bottleneck for traditional pipelines and human labor. That is exactly why we built AVIS, AstroVision Model for Imaging and Spectroscopy. AVIS is a multimodal foundation model specifically designed for discovery across both imaging and spectroscopy. Instead of relying purely on manual labeling by human experts or rigid traditional template-fitting pipelines, AVIS leverages self-supervised learning. It learns the complex spatial and spectral features of these massive datasets with minimal human intervention and without the need for extensive labels. It extracts features from images and spectra, linking them together to gain a deeper, holistic understanding. AVIS then serves as a powerful starting point for building specialized models tailored to downstream science tasks. The results are highly promising. Here on the slide, you can see the embedding vectors generated by the model visualizing a dimensionality-reduced PAC-MAC space. Notice the clear separations between the three main spectral types in the DESI data shown in the left panel, as well as the target types shown on the top right. We evaluated this using a k-nearest neighbor classifier on these embeddings, requiring only a very small number of labels. As the confusion matrix shown on the bottom right, this approach achieved high accuracy. For another science case, let's look at how model detects high-redshift sources. On the left, we have another PAC-MAC embedding space. Interestingly, the clusters have actually resembled the shape of a dolphin and a cleaver. What is really exciting is a specific cluster right under the belly of the dolphin. It contains high redshift sources. Looking closer, we can see the model successfully clustering specific emission lines together, like Lyman-alpha and carbon-4. The right panel will show a nearest neighbor search within this high redshift cluster. By simply providing an embedding vector, we are instantly able to find another sources that share similar complex spectral feature. Ultimately, as we push our observations deeper and wider into the universe, AVIS will help us efficiently identify sources and potentially discover entirely new classes of objects. Our next step is to target high-redshift sources like Lyman-alpha emitters and objects with unique spectra, such as Lyman-alpha forest QSOs. Please scan the QR code to learn more about this work. I'd love to chat with you about downstream science tasks or the model architecture. Feel free to shoot me an email. Finally, I want to acknowledge and thank the Department of Energy and Cosmic AI Seed Grant Program for supporting this research. Thank you.